Diesel's hijacked him.
What's gonna happen to Junior now?
Well, my family is usually pretty good at getting themselves out of trouble. Eventually.
I don't know what eventually means, but it sounds very, very long.
Where's Lily?
I wish I knew. I'm sorry, Mr. Stone. She wasn't at the station when I went back for her.
It's okay, Patch. We'll find her. Don't worry.
Mr. Stone? I've heard an engine's whistle on this mountain.
You heard wrong, Patch. Well, I mean, I'd be too deaf to hear.
But Lily said you heard a dog bark.
You never hear wrong, do you? Now, where exactly did you hear that whistle?
I don't talk with bullies, Boomer.
Well, everybody has their price. Now, what's yours? I think of all you could buy with this.
Forget it, Boomer! You'll never catch us!
I am brave. I am brave. Thomas says I'm brave, so I'm brave. Oh, it's not easy being brave. Shiver my pistons! They splatter and dodge. Oh, they found the buffers. Oh, now what's going to happen?
Howdy, partner. Excuse me, coming through. Pardon me.
Oh, that's just nothing. That nothing was something.
Yeah, these must be the buffers Diesel's looking for.
Are we supposed to go through them?
Oh, not we, you.
Oh, not me, you.
This is a job for the boss.
Whoa. We'll tell him tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's good.
Oh, I better hurry back and warn Thomas.
Good, thank you.
Here, Stacy. At least the mail's on time.
Thanks.
Mr. Stone! I'm sure Mr. Stone knows the secret of the mountain. There's an engine in there. But now, because of me, Boomer knows the secret too. And he's putting us all in danger. And I don't know where Lily is.
I do. I think Junior has gone back to the island of Sodor to help Mr. Conductor. And I think Lily has gone with him.
I'm sure you're right, Stacy. But don't worry. It will be for a good reason.
This is the end of the line, Twinkle Toes Jr.
Now, this next card trick I learned in old Bombay from a monarch butterfly. You know, when it came to card tricks, she really knew how to wing it.
Mr. Conductor, I was supposed to be back by sunset.
You know, Lily, perhaps your grandpa can guess where you are.
He can?
Maybe. Because I think he's been here himself long ago. And if he can help, I do wish he'd hurry. I haven't told Junior this, but soon he'll grow as weak as I am.
So you really do love Junior, don't you?
Yes, even though he makes me mad sometimes, but that's what families are for. Someone to be there for you in the bad times as well as the good. Isn't that right?
Yes. Yes, it is. Junior said there used to be an engine that traveled on the Magic Railroad. And if only we could find that, we could still head back to Shining Time.
Oh, that engine disappeared. Never to be seen or heard from again.
Grandpa says you can't hear train engines from our house. But I have to tell you something, Mr. C. I've heard a train whistle and it sounded like it was coming from the mountain.
Lily, have you told anyone else?
No, only my friend Patch. He He heard it from the mountain, too.
Mountain. I just remembered another part of the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. But we need more information, Lily. And I know that your grandpa could help if he would just believe that he could.
Lady?